If you need to remove a device from your Skrill account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and up to date. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Open your web browser or app and log into your Skrill account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by a gear icon or under your profile name. Step 3. Find device management. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Identify the device you wish to remove from the list. Click on it to see more details and options related to that device. Step 5. Confirm device removal. After selecting the device, look for an option to remove or disconnect it. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal, ensuring that the device is no longer linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove devices associated with your Skrill account, enhancing your account security.